ज्ञान हमको दीजिए, शीघ्र सारे दुर्गुणों को दूर हमसे कीजिए। लीजिए हमको शरण में, हम सदाचारी बने, ब्रह्मचारी धर्म रक्षक वीर व्रतधारी बने। हे प्रभु आनंद दाता, ज्ञान हमको दीजिए, शीघ्र सारे दुर्गुणों को दूर हमसे कीजिए। हे प्रभु आनंद दाता, ज्ञान हमको दीजिए, शीघ्र सारे दुर्गुणों को दूर हमसे कीजिए।
Hello everyone, my name is Daivat Dave and today I will discuss about SQL injection, a very well-known technique to get confidential data from website or web application using or manipulating their own website URL. In this technique, attacker is mainly perform its attack by adding some SQL queries and commands through website URL, and by executing such commands and queries, attacker will see the reflections and information on website page itself. To perform this attack, there are three ways. The very first way is normal SQL injection, in which attacker will add malicious code into website URL, and he will see the reflections on it on the website page. The second attack is error-based SQL injection attack, which normally performs on ASP.NET based website, or we can say JSP website as well. And the third one is advanced SQL injection attack, in which if website or web application is protected with any kind of firewall, in that case attacker will perform advanced SQL injection attack, in which attacker will use some kind of special keywords to perform this attack, and he will get the information of the website. And now the point and there are some automated tools available which can perform same kind of thing instead of manual attack. There are two automated tools available. One is Haviz. It is Windows and Linux based automated tool, and the second one is Kali Linux pre-installed tool. Both these tools are available in Linux based system, and Haviz is available in Windows based system. You just need to add website URL on which you want to perform this attack, and you just need to add some settings and configurations, and that's it. The tool will handle the attack by itself, and it will give the result of attack once it is done. By implementing manual or automated attack, attacker will be able to see the database name, database version, tables, table information such as username, password, payment related information such as card number, card details, CVV numbers and everything. And I think that is all they are looking for. Now the point is that how we can prevent how we can prevent our website from such kind of attacks. There are 2 or 3 ways we can prevent our website from it. The very first thing is that we recommend to use web application firewall in a customized manner, so it prevents such kind of attacks. The second thing is that we need to perform security edits on a regular basis. So if there are any patches required, then we can patch the security loophole, and we can prevent from this kind of attack. And the third one is we should take care of developing of the website. At the time of developing website, we must need to perform SQL queries within the function instead of directly writing it into code. So these are the ways we can prevent our website or web application from such kind of SQL injection attack. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning. Today I am going to talk about how great people achieve their mission. This is about the achievers. This question, generally we keep thinking and we think it is a determination. Yes, it is determination. But how does the determination come? That is purely from your mind control. And what does this mind control mean? Mind is always filled with thoughts. Thoughts keep entering mind, and these thoughts generally do not decide what you want to do, but these thoughts generally justify your decisions. Little hard to understand. If your mind wants to do something, if it decides that I will do so and so thing, and if it is convinced and implanted, then all thoughts will justify the decision. With most of the cases, we first generate thoughts, and from the thoughts we try to make decision. I will give a small example. It's a small experiment, just for half a minute. You just close your eyes. I ask you to think anything in this world other than apple. I can assure you, more than 90% of the people who do this experiment will always first within 2 seconds will think of apple. Why so? When I had mentioned not to think of apple, and we have plenty of things to think around, why you chose apple? That is the beauty of thoughts and the mind. Therefore, ensure your mind is totally under your control, and your actions are totally determined by your decision by the mind and not influenced by your thoughts. Interesting part of the mind is that whatever you wish, it gets implanted. However, if you add adjectives like not, I should not do this, why it cannot be done, I must ensure this is not done, like this, these adjectives never get recorded in your mind. Therefore, whenever you make a decision, decide what you want to achieve clearly without influence of any thoughts. Once your purpose and the decision is clear, you will see that all things take place in the manner you want. Here comes the control of the mind. Once the decision has come, you will find that you have to fight with your thoughts again and again, which will again justify as to why things don't happen. 99% these thoughts and justification relate to the external world. At no stage your thoughts will pinpoint the shortcomings that is within you. Therefore, to ensure to be at the job you want to do, to ensure that you achieve what you want to do, don't get influenced by your thoughts. Keep the thoughts away, control your mind, focus on the objective. It may take time, but be at it, and you will be the winner. Thank you.
Good morning. In today's Suryodhay, we had the prayer sung by Nitya Sangavi of BCA 5B. So, Nitya, please keep spreading positive wave whenever you get an opportunity to pray, to render the prayer song. Please keep contributing. Then, for the first time, we had a technical talk by one of an eminent alumni, Mr. Daivat Dhave. Right? He touched upon the SQL injection attacks. SQL injection is a very, very prominent type of cyber security attacks where the attack takes up a form of a SQL statement which can be injected to a remote website, and we can go to the extent of changing the content, changing the services, and so on, thereby creating a lot of destructions at their site. And thank you, Daivat. You are the initiator of many things in the past, English speaking club, and so many things we can tell about it. Today also I have initiated the alumni talk in the Suryodhay program. So I make this request to all the alumni to keep contributing like Daivat Dave. In third session, we had a motivational session by Colonel Suresh. He correctly touched upon the mind control. So whenever we are going to take up a task, we need to have a single-minded concentration on the task and its close peripheries and not something else. So that one has to train himself so that he gets 100% successful in whatever task is undertaken. Thank you, Colonel Suresh, for your contribution to Suryodhay. Wish you all the best.